descending loop of endless loop is permeable to water due to the specialization of. So descending loop of endless loop is permeable to water but impermeable to electrolytes like sodium. Ascending limb of endless loop is impermeable to water and permeable to what is called the sodium ions. Now we have the descending limbs of various regions of the tubule has different types of epithelial cells, either cuboidal epithelial cells or squamous epithelial cells, and normally they have some sort of aquaporin. The protein actually, the pores lined with the proteins, they are called aquaporins. And through these pores only just normally we have the absorption of water etc. occurs. So the cuboidal cells, aquaporins are, I mentioned, are the water permeable, water actually permeable channels normally made up of proteins, membranous proteins that allow water to move across an epithelial cells in relation to the osmotic differences from the lumen of the collecting duct to the interstitial fluid. Cuboidal epithelial cells lining of collecting duct is modified into aquaporins. So actually the cuboidal epithelial cells in the collecting duct, which is normally permeable to. Even the collecting tubule we have just normally see distal conductive tubule is followed by, it is followed by what is called the collecting duct. It is permeable to urea also, where also it is permeable to water. So such aquaporins, the protein membranous protein pores are responsible for actually the absorption of water. So the cuboidal epithelial cells in the descending limb of endless is permeable to water due to the specialization of cuboidal epithelial cells. They have what is called aquaporins. Aquaporins are the membranous protein pores. So the membranous proteins, they have actually the pores, and we see that one lining of collecting is modified into aquaporins. They are nothing but the membranous proteins. They are responsible for increasing the permeability. Occasionally or also at times when there is no need of water is actually needed by the body, at times the aquaporins is normally moving into the cell. The mechanism is different. The aquaporins are normally placed superficially for the absorption of water. When there is no absorption of water is there, normally they are moving into the cell, preventing the absorption of water. So these protein actually membranous proteins are responsible for, and they are having actually some modifications from the cuboidal epithelial cells.